good morning. So it is the weekend. I think it's Thursday today. Yeah. So in today's vlog, y'all, we're gonna be doing a lot of things. I just woke up a few hours ago, uploaded a vlog which you guys are already enjoying, and I'm replying your comments on the video already. So I already did my facial routine. I didn't want to film that because I'm having a video which is gonna come up about clearing acne, and I brushed my teeth, did all of that. So next thing is I'm gonna get up after replying your comment and checking, going through Instagram. I'm gonna get up and make my bed. I'm actually changing my sheets, kind of like washing these ones. I'm gonna have to wash this because I haven't washed it before, so I'm gonna have to wash it. It has a zipper on here where you can unzip. I got this from Home Goods, so I'm gonna wash that, change my sheets, and do some laundries. Of course, we're gonna do laundry today. And I already filmed my cleaning video. I was doing a lot of cleaning yesterday, and cleaned my living room, my bathroom. I filmed that. That video is gonna come up before this one. So super excited, y'all, because we have a lot to do today. I have some errands. I'm gonna go to the mall. I'm gonna go to Zara because I want to see if I can pick out some Valentine's kind of fit, date night fit, and so I can film a haul for you guys tomorrow. The weather is gloomy, it's raining outside, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna have to eat breakfast, which I'm trying to bring into my life. You guys know I don't do breakfast, but I want to start doing breakfast this 2021. Okay, maybe a little bit. We're gonna try. So I'm gonna get up right now, make my bed while we start our day. Okay.
I just want you in my life, baby. I like you. I like you, everything go from Maria.
Guys, this nail hurts like hell. It hurts like hell. This one, it hurts like hell. I can't wait to... I need to go get my nails done, but I doubt it's gonna be possible today because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to meet up. But we're gonna see. I hope I'm able to. I'm just gonna spend like 2 hours in the store, and I just wanna spend like briefly 2 hours in the store, and then I'm sure I'm gonna be able to meet up because I need to get my nails done for Valentine. Y'all know it's Valentine, and I hope I'm able to get a spot for my nails. Ugh, it's not letting me put this. Like, it hurts so bad. It hurts so. This is why I hate getting my nails done, y'all. This is it. This is why I like my stick-ons, because it doesn't hurt. Like, my real nail has just, I think it's broken because it hurts. Seriously hurts. Ugh. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this bedroom because I don't want this vlog to be too long. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the beddings, put a new bedding, and then I'm already washing the old one, the old sheets. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so for my room is already done. I brought down the curtain a little bit. It's raining outside, y'all, so I'm gonna spray this room spray that I got from Amazon. Really, I got this from Target the other day. If you watched my last vlog, my cleaning vlog, and so I'm just gonna spray this in the air. Smells so good. This smells expensive, amazing. Ever been to Morocco? I don't know, I've never been there, but it smells like luxury. And the bottle is so good. Whew. So now y'all onto the room scent. Onto the room scent, like alright, onto the bed scent. I love spraying perfumes on my sheets, like my freshly washed linen. It smells so good because of the liquid soap. But I had to spray Joy. So today's bed scent is Joy Dior. Okay, it smells so good, y'all. I'm spraying my pillows, throws, because when I come back, I want to lay on it. I want it to smell good. Okay. So now we're gonna go make me some food. Okay, some light food. I actually know what I want to eat, but before then, I'm gonna light some candles in my living room, y'all. So let's head to my living room. But first of all, let me return this. I haven't worn this for over a year. Because you're wondering what the sound is, I look at my closet. My closet is a mess. I think I'm gonna fix that when I get back from the store. I really have to hurry up because, guys, let's go in here. So, let me turn off this light because it'd be a lot of light bills, okay? It's raining outside here. I would have shown you, but we're trying to stay private. Why is my washer making that noise? Can you guys hear the noise from my washing machine? Ew. Oh my god. I hope this breakout really like. I hope this breakout disappears. And y'all, I just saw someone comment on my. Someone just. So I just read a comment on my last vlog, like my recent vlog, the one I just uploaded this morning, and that person said, you need to stop bleaching. Maybe when you stop bleaching, the breakout is gonna go. I'm like, what? Such a hard word? You could have just told me to do something. Like, I haven't rubbed any body cream or facial cream on my face for the past 3 months. November, December, January, February. Haven't rubbed anything like facial cream, like face cream, body cream, lotion, or something like bleaching. What are you talking about, bitch? What are you talking about? Y'all be hating. Like, I don't do those hate shit on my. I don't do hate things, okay? I've never commented anything hateful on anybody's picture ever in my life since the best of social media. Okay, so I don't know how you guys do those head shit. And how you know I'm bleaching? Did I show you my cream? Have you seen my cream? Like, did you sell me the bleaching cream? Bitch, think. Go get a life or something. Okay. Alright y'all, so it's now time to spice up the noodles. So I'm gonna put the sauce for the noodles in the water first. That's how I do mine. Now we got the pan. Okay, so I'm gonna put some olive oil. I got olive oil here. I'm just gonna sprinkle that quart That's it. I'll let that get a little bit hot. I'm gonna get my spices. So this is the chicken I'm gonna be using today. It's already seasoned and fully cooked. So all I'm gonna do is just stir fry it. This is it. It's I've never tried this brand before though. Good and Gather. So yeah, can't wait to try this out, y'all. But do I need more oil? Ooh, so much. This breakfast is gonna, let me try and break. I don't know why during winter this Maggi gets too strong. Alright y'all, I actually did forget to burn my cooking candle, so I'm gonna burn it now. I'm gonna burn my cooking candle. So I'm gonna start frying.
Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left when you move to the right.
So it's time to dig in, y'all. It's time to dig in. So I'm gonna be pairing with this cranberry diet. Victoria made me do it. And my water, of course, bottled water. That's digging. Yummy. This tastes so good. Cheers, y'all. Alright, so I'm just gonna have washed the dishes and go have a shower. I'll see you guys after having a shower and dressing up because I don't want this vlog to be extra. Alright, y'all, so I'm done and ready to head out. It took me about a minute. I thought I was charging my battery. Now this nail, let me show you guys something. Focus. This is hurting. This hurts more than a heartbreak, y'all. It hurts more than a heartbreak. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get a spot in a salon, a nail salon, so I can take this off. Or I don't know, but it hurts as hell. And I need to get my nails done for the Valentine's. Okay, so let me just show. Let me do a quick OOTD. So I got this joggers from Target, y'all. I did a haul. And I got my cross body purse from Prada. And my sneakers from Karl Lagerfeld. And my face cap, of course, from Lacoste. bodysuit from Boohoo. Yeah. So this is OOTD, y'all. This is what it is looking like. This is what it's giving. Okay. Hey guys, so this is me in the bathroom. I got back from my errands a few hours ago. I just needed to relax, watch some TV series, TV shows, and you know, had dinner. I didn't film all that because like I didn't feel the need to. I'm bad at vlogging. Alright, so now it's pamper time, y'all. I just want to soak in my bathtub and have a great night. I haven't done this before. This is actually my first like bath soak. I'm actually gonna have a pamper routine. Okay, I'm actually have a pamper routine, a pamper section in my bathroom, like a mini spa. So I'm gonna show you guys the things I'm gonna be putting in my bath water, and we're just gonna begin. But before then, y'all, I'm going to do because I need to clean my face and get it ready to get in the bathtub. Okay, so I'm going to use facial cleansing parts, and I'm going to use my, of course, Garnier Skin K cleansing water, which I normally do use. You guys know I don't play with this. How I want to clean my face. You want to clean your neck as well. Okay. Clean around the neck area. Make sure you clean your ear, y'all. You don't want it to be smelling. Clean your ear as well as your navel. Okay. The back of your ear is important while cleaning your face. Okay. Alright, now that we're done, that's all I need to do. I'm gonna put my head in a bun. I have this, I've already put my candle there. I'm gonna burn that candle. I'm gonna bring more, and that's my speaker because I'm gonna be jamming. Okay, so I'm gonna put this top care bath mat and pillow set. I got this from Home Goods. Ooh, I got this from Home Goods, y'all. So I'm gonna open it and use it.
Looking so surprised, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise with me. My little baby go ride with me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, oh. Everything go from Maria.
So this is a body collagen cherry blossom bath phases and enriched with vitamin. So this is the bath bomb we're using, and it smells so good, y'all. I hope you're responsible.
She no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro.